In Microsoft Teams, it's likely there are certain people and channels where you're most active. To save time, use the pin option to make it easier to access specific chats and team channels. Hi, I'm Dawn Bjork, the Software Pro and a Microsoft Certified Trainer. In this quick tip, we'll look at how to save time by pinning chat and channels for faster access in Microsoft Teams. Pinning is a great way to keep track of a chat, even if you only need it temporarily, and especially if you're communicating with a lot of people in your organization. To pin a chat, simply highlight the chat and choose More Options or the three dots, and choose Pin. Now these conversations will be at the top of your list, regardless of other chats that may come in afterwards. Once you pin a chat, you can drag it to any order that you want, and then just repeat the process to unpin a chat if it's no longer a priority. There's a limit of 15 pinned chats. The same concept applies to pinning channels. Pinned channels can stay at the top of a list so you don't have to hunt them down, especially if you're working in a number of different teams and a variety of projects or other priorities. As we saw before, just hover over the channel or the item that you want to pin, look for the More Options, and choose Pin. And all of your pinned channels will then appear at the top of your team's list. Once you pin a channel, you can drag it into whatever order you want. And if you no longer need to have that channel pinned, move to More Options and choose Unpin. In this quick tip, you've seen how to save time and effort by pinning key chat and channels in Teams. For more tips on being productive with Teams, visit thesoftwarepro.com/teams. If this training was helpful, please like and comment on this video and subscribe to this channel. This is Dawn Bjork, the Software Pro. Thanks for watching.